Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. For today's video I thought, with it being Christmas season coming up, everyone's going to be going to Christmas parties and works nights out and stuff like that, so I thought I'd do like a 12 days of Christmas makeup looks. So we're going to do 12 different looks between now and just before Christmas, and each one's going to have like a specific theme. So today's one is going to be a red lip because everyone loves a red lip at Christmas. So get ready with me, I'm just going to talk you through the products, and obviously the red lip's going to be the main feature of today's look. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it, and first off I'm going to prime with this priming base by Makeup Revolution. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of that on my face. I am using the L'Oreal True Match in the shade, I think it's in, oh it says it on here, on the lid, 3N, shade 3N. And I've just got a beauty blender to blend it all in. The noise that makes when it's like bouncing off your face. Is that like makeup ASMR? I suppose it is, isn't it? It's party season, so let's be honest, we're all going to be going in with at least 2 layers of makeup foundation. If you don't need it then don't, but I definitely do to cover all these spots. Now, because the red lip is going to be such like a bold lip, we are going to go with like a simple eye look. Because the lip's so bold, you don't want the eyes to be like the same. Go for quite a neutral eye when you're going for a really bold lip. Foundation done. Next I'm going to go in with concealer. I think it's the Maybelline Fit Me one, but I might be wrong. It could be a different one completely. Just gonna blend that in underneath the eye. Just let that foundation dry down a minute. Right, now you want to do like your cream products before you start putting any powder on. So if you've got like a liquid highlighter or like a cream blusher like I have, you want to do them now, not after your powder, because otherwise I'm going to use this Beam Me Up, it's called. And I'm just going to pop a few dots there on my nose and just a little bit. I'll tap it in with my finger. This highlighter is so good, like when you put it on your skin, it doesn't just make your skin look shiny, like it makes it look a bit like that wet look. I think it's really nice. Right, now I've got a cream blusher as well, so I'm gonna put this on. It looks ridiculous when you do it like that, but then trust me, you're gonna blend it in and it'll look fine. Smudge it around a little bit with my finger, and then you're going to get your beauty blender that you used before and use like the bottom side of it and just blend that in like that until it looks a bit more normal. And then you can just see like the slight colour underneath without you looking like you've got bright rosy red cheeks like a clown. Right, now we're done with that, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. We're just going to get a face brush, bang some of that powder in the lid. I don't use a lot of face powder because my face is quite dry anyway, so I just do it in the bits where, like under my eye and here where my makeup tends to like rub off. Right, now we definitely need some bronzer because we're looking a bit pale. I'm going to go in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm going to go in circular motions on the cheeks. Just going to blend it all in. And on the other side, do the same. Anyone ever tells you you've got too much bronzer on, they're probably lying. Can you ever have too much? Camera stopped recording there for a minute, but we're back, not to worry. What did we do last? It was the bronzer, wasn't it? Right, so now I'm going to move on to eyebrows, now that my bronzer's done. And I've got the Eyelaw eyebrow kit. And just an eyebrow pencil. That eyebrow already looks a million times better than that eyebrow. Now I'm just going to get a bit of powder eyebrow and I'm going to just set that in place. Right, the eyebrows, they're done for now. We're going to move on to the eyes. Like I said, because the lip is going to be so bold, we're going to just do a simple eye look. It'll still be glam, but very simple. Right, so I'm going to get a few fluffy brushes. I'm going to get the biggest fluffy brush I've got. And I'm going to get a normal lid shade, like that matches your lid shade sort of, as close as you could possibly get it. We're going to put that all over the eyelid, just to set the eyelid in place. Now we're going to get a smaller fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with this shade. Yeah. As you can see, we've hit pan in this shade, so I clearly use it a lot. We're just going to crease and blend it off a little bit. Not too much pigment, but just what we need. Now we're going to go in with a darker brown shade, which is this one. And we're going to do the same, pack it on the crease, but like a little bit closer to the edge this time. Concentrate on the outer corner, blending towards the inner corner. Not going as high as you took that other colour before until it looks a bit like that. And then we're going to get the big fluffy brush again and we are going to just blend that out. Blend. Can never blend enough when you do an eyeshadow. That's very subtle. And that's exactly what we're going for in this eye look. Now we are just going to deepen this bit right here with a really quite a dark brown shade. Just on the outer corner. And then take it in a little tiny bit. But not much at all. Big fluffy brush and blend. And then I'm gonna go back in with that orange shade. I'm gonna go under the lash line. And then we're going to go with the brown shade and just on the outside of the lash line. And join it up to the inner corner. So yeah, until it looks something like this. And then if you need to just keep blending, just get a big fluffy brush and just round movements all the way over this, and just keep doing that until it's all fully blended together. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a nice glitter on the inside. I am going to go, I think, for a nice goldy coppery shade. Maybe this one or this one. I'm going to pack that all over the lid. So you're going to need a flat brush, like a bit like that one, or you can do it with a smaller one. Pack that on the lid. It's so shimmery, it's so nice. And it looks really Christmas party style. Right, that's that eye done. So I'm just gonna head off camera, do the other eye, and then I'll be back in a couple of seconds to do the lips. Right, so I've done the other eye. I've applied a bit of mascara. I applied this mascara. It says shake it up, no clumps and all that, right? But it comes out with so much liquid on it, like I just don't understand what's going on. Is that normal? Can you see that? Like, why is that got to, you literally have to like scrape half of it off before you actually use it, otherwise you end up with mascara everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Right, so I've applied a bit of mascara. Now we are back to do the lip. I've got it. So the lipstick that I've chose to use today is going to be the MAC Ruby Woo. It's a classic red. Everybody, I feel like everybody knows MAC's Ruby Woo colour by now. So I'll blot down my lips. You don't want any white lines. Wow, it's so red. This used to be one of my all-time favourite lipsticks, like ever. They always smell amazing, the MAC ones. I'm just gonna clean it up with a little lip brush. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. As you can see, the lipstick really is bright, so you don't need too much going on the rest of your face. And I just think a red lip is perfect for a Christmas party, New Year's Eve parties, works nights out, if you just don't do Christmas parties and you all just go out together and celebrate Christmas. It's just a simple, nice eye look with a bold red lip. So this is the finished look. So this is day one of the 12 days of Christmas looks that I'll be doing. And day one was a red lip, and I think this is pretty red. Doing this look today has made me remember why I used to love this red lip colour so much. It is just really pretty. But yeah, this is my, and I hope there'll be one for everyone's type of style. I will be doing different ones, so and I'll leave all the products that I used in the description box, so if you want to, you can go and get them yourselves. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon hopefully. Bye guys.